Welcome to HTN Education. Don't forget to like, follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and educational tips. Look at this simple math problem. 10 divide 2 into 2 plus 3. Almost 99% of people get this completely wrong and get an answer of 1. Today I am going to show you why 1 is incorrect. Explain the exact PEMDAS rule step by step and reveal the true correct answer. First, let's look at how most people solve it. 10 divide 2 and 2. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Most of people solve this step and correct. 10 divide 2 multiply 5 equal to 10. Last step is 10 divide 10 equal to 1. Why is this wrong? Because multiplication does not take precedence over division. Let's look at the standard rule of math. The PEMDAS rule explained step by step. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiply, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. Addition and subtraction operation from left to right. Multiplication and division share the exact same priority level. When both are present, you must solve them in order from left to right. Now let's solve 10 divide 2 into 2 plus 3 the right way. Solve 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 10 divide 2. Bracket shows multiplication, so use multiply sign. Divide and multiply sign are given. By PEMDAS rule, first perform divide operation. So 10 divide 2 equal to 5. Multiply 5. 5 5s are 25. So this is the correct answer of the given question. Summary of this question: 1 is incorrect because violating the left to right rule. 25 is correct because applying PEMDAS correctly from left to right. Now it's your turn. Test your understanding and drop your answer in the comment below. 16 divide 4 into 1 plus 1. Will the answer be 1 or 8? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, share with friends, follow and subscribe HTN Education. Thank you.